Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal here at the Brasard station, and we've got a REM train that's going to be crossing over. So these are the tail tracks and the tracks that end up curving around to the garage. So it's about 10 o'clock a.m. on the 15th of July 2026. So I'm just in the parking lot here. Four-car train heading back towards Montreal. Yeah, so here's where the line curves around to get to the garage. And I'm just following the parking lot here. All right, we got one that's coming around. Wasn't expecting that. I think it's going into the washing, what do you call it here, area here. That looks like a car wash. And there's a REM there. There's a REM in the car wash. That one's being taken out of service. Why, I don't know. So here's the other end of this car wash. The door was closed, so I don't know where that other train was going. Still in there, I guess. And there's another one coming around. Oh, it looks like the train's going to come out of here, out of the garage, which is the car wash. And there's the garage, as filmed through the fence. Here it is again. You can see the entire building. All of it accessible. I'm not going anywhere I can't go. And this is the tracks as they curve around from the end of the station. Okay, so I think I'm going to wrap this up now here. If you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Here from Brossard Station. Have a good day.